First of all, a very, very good morning to each and every one of you. And first of all, I congratulate FICCI for having organized this event. I think this is the need of the hour, and this is the vision of the government. Our Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Minister, they have this vision that Tamil Nadu should be the first green state in the country, wherein more than 50% of our energy needs are met from the green energy sector. With this vision in mind, as we march ahead with a number of objectives and a number of strategies in place, the speaker before me already has told you what is the existing installed capacity, and what we are looking to add is what I may like to add at this point, that we are looking to add about 14,500 megawatts of pumped storage hydroelectric projects. We are looking to add around 800 megawatts of wind and around 500 megawatts of solar. In addition, as was already said, the pilot for the offshore tidal energy is also underway right now, and Tamil Nadu is indeed blessed to have this wonderful opportunity to pilot it for the whole country. We are also in the process of creating a special purpose vehicle, as has been already announced, in order to implement this in stages such that we reach our goal much ahead of 2030 as is being planned right now. Having said that, the energy requirement of the state has been just jumping every year. So last year we had a peak of around 18,030 megawatts, whereas this year our peak was 19,300 megawatts. And next year we expect that it would increase from anywhere between 19,500 to 20,000 megawatts. And that is what we are all planning right now to make arrangements for. Such meetings are absolutely essential, because government can only be the facilitator, government can only be the leader, can show the way and the vision. But to reach there, we need each and every one of you to actually contribute. It is Tamil Nadu's strength that the private sector is so industrious, so hardworking and so enterprising. So also in this green energy sector, I call upon each and every one of you to partner with us and ensure that we achieve our goals. As was already said, the repowering policy is also being prepared. We look forward to hearing from all of you what are your views, what exactly you need for government to do in order to help us together achieve these goals in the near future. With these few words, I wish this function all success. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you.